God, may the Lord. May the Lord God. Okay, once again, happy birthday, Ellie. Sa ating mga guests dyan, kanina po tayo. Jolly? Last one, Jolly. Ay, ano, wow, palakpakan naman po natin. And there you have it. And last but not the least, okay, ang ating naman, ayan, best friends dyan, hindi na magbibigay ng wish. Okay, ready na ba? Ready. Okay, fourth wish.
Gawin niya.
To you.